Hello, welcome back to Golden News. The identity of the Ukrainian soldier who was shot on camera after shouting, "Glory to Ukraine," has been officially confirmed by Ukrainian intelligence officials. The video of the prisoner of war invited widespread outrage after he was seen being executed in the video footage. Kyiv had earlier opened a criminal investigation into Russia's brutal and brazen shooting of an unarmed person. The 12-second video was widely circulated on social media and showed an apparently unarmed man in a uniform, with the Ukrainian flag insignia on his arm. People wanted to know who the man was that the Russians allegedly shot in the video. Now the Security Service of Ukraine, SBU, has said that the prisoner of war in the video was Oleksandr Ivanovich Matsievsky, a sniper with the 163rd Battalion of the 119th Separate Tank Brigade of the Chernihiv region. Matsievsky's family and his commander had earlier recognized him in the video. Officials talked to the sniper's family and comrades in arms and processed photo and video materials before concluding the Ukrainian prisoner of war's identity. SBU praised the sniper as a true hero who demonstrated to the whole world what Ukrainian character and invincibility are. It is these defenders who are defending our land today, which means that the enemy will definitely be defeated. Because Ukraine's great victory is made up of the heroic deeds of people like Oleksandr Matsievsky. Glory to the hero! Glory to the heroes! Glory to Ukraine, said SBU head Vasyl Malyuk in a statement on their website.